Guys, I just found something. Look at outside. Okay, look. It's fog. The apocalypse is coming, guys. It's the mist, but like more dangerous and real or something like that, you know? It's just fog. It's just like the mist, but like, look at the sunflowers. Look how dead they are. You know why? Because it's the mist. It's everywhere. It's like in the trees. It's like this is the only safe zone. I swear, there's no fog in here, but for some reason, out there, it's like fog. Oh, my feet are so wet. It's like, look at this. Look at that. If I don't get killed by some sort of monster thing, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. If you don't hear back from me after school, guys, you know what happened.